Oh hey y'all, I'm coming on this video soaking wet because I just washed my hair with the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo. I recorded a previous video on my rice milk pre-poo. If you haven't seen that video, what are you waiting for? Check it out right here. And why can I... My fingers are so crooked. Check it out right here in the cards. I'm just finishing up from that video. So today I will be reviewing the new products from Shea Moisture from their African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal line. This is their third African Black Soap line. I did not care for their dandruff control mask. I actually gave that away to my aunt. So hopefully the purification mask will work well. My hair doesn't feel super soft. People say that shampoo is really softening, but it's not. But I don't want to go into that because I will have an entire review on that line coming up. So I'll be going in with the conditioner. Usually I will shampoo or co-wash, condition, and then deep condition. I know people think that's overkill, but for me, that's how I do it. And it actually smells like the old African black soap line. But you can actually, this time you can actually see the charcoal. I'm already like, it's alright, but it doesn't make my hair feel amazing. But I'm just going to keep going. It does have good slip, but honestly my hair is moisturized. Oh, not moisturized. My hair is detangled from my previous video. So that's kind of not fair. Let's see the first 5 ingredients. The first 5 ingredients are water, cetearyl alcohol, shea butter, coconut oil, and cetyl alcohol. There is glycerin, but it's way down on the list. But I will link all of the ingredients. There's willow bark extract. There's cocoa pod ash. Let me add a little bit more of this conditioner. Yeah, this conditioner feels okay. Yeah, it feels okay. Nothing to really write home about. I mean, there's really some bomb Shea Moisture conditioners that I love and that I mentioned in previous videos. I will link them here. But I don't think this is going to join the ranks of my favorites. So I've applied the conditioner throughout my head and I still feel the same about it. It's just okay. It's not a fave. I doubt I will feel different when I rinse it out. But and I used quite a bit. It was kind of full to the brim up here and I kind of used 1/5 of it. Not surprising, because I do use a lot of conditioner. This is 13 ounces and I do get about 5 uses out of 12 ounces, 5 or 6. So that makes sense. But I have to use a lot too because I don't really feel like it was doing anything. But let me rinse it out. And then after that, I'll probably let it sit for about 30 minutes. And then I'll come back to apply the bamboo charcoal purification mask. So let's go do that. Okay, so my hair has been air drying for about 20 minutes So I'm just going to take it down. Yeah, it doesn't feel much better than it did before. So the conditioner for me is probably a no. I will give it another chance. You know, these videos are first impressions. But for now, I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. Hopefully the deep conditioner will feel a lot better. We can only pray. There's no charcoal bits in it like the conditioner. It has that same terrible smell. And I'm really going to pile it on. Get at my roots. My hair is very dry. The first 5 ingredients in this product are water, cetyl alcohol, caprylic capryl triglyceride, glycerin, and shea butter. There's avocado oil in here. There's aloe vera juice. There is oat bran extract. There's oat kernel flour. There's charcoal. Maybe a third down. I don't know, y'all. These Shea Moisture, these new Shea Moisture releases have left a lot to be desired. You know, honestly, I think Shea Moisture should chill. Alright, y'all, so this is what we're looking like. I guess I'm gonna go under my steamer. Not a fan, y'all, not a fan. I'm gonna go under my steamer, and I'm just gonna really have to pump it up when it comes to my moisturizers, because this wash day, here we go. Honestly, I would not repurchase any of these products. The deep conditioner, I use a ton of it. I don't think I've ever used so much of a Shea Moisture conditioner. You can't even see it because the lights are too bright. I probably have like 2 more uses. That's not typical. I usually can get like 5 uses out of those. But my hair honestly doesn't feel bad. But I'm at this point where my hair is so hydrated that it's hard to really be horrible. So my hair does not feel bad, but there's nothing special about it. I would not repurchase it. So I wouldn't repurchase any of these. So they're not bad that I wouldn't use them at all. So I will use these up, but I will not rush to use them in the slightest. So yeah, so that's it. This is how my hair looks like. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you've used these products. If you have, let me know what your experience has been. And also just let me know what your favorite Shea Moisture products are. I know which ones are my ride or die, but these ain't it at all. But anywho, I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.